Hello and welcome back to the solder side. Today we're going to be looking at this Ronica Air Fighter. Right, so I got this off eBay. I'll put the listing up so you guys can see what I know. But apparently it doesn't turn on or it doesn't work. So let's get some batteries in. I mean, looks nice and clean, doesn't it? We'll get one and two. Okay, no noise yet. Pressing start, nothing happens. Nothing. Okay, so I guess let's get it apart. I'll probably give it a nice little clean as well at some point. Well, it looks like somebody's been in here before. This screw isn't actually holding anything. So let's take it all out, see what's going on the other side. I'm assuming it touches this pad here, which looks like it's got a bit of gunk on it. Let me get cleaning, and it might be a simple case of it's just dirty. There might be more wrong with it, I don't know. In fact, I'm just going to take this out as well, because we're going to put it in properly. I'm going to use some 99% pure isopropyl. Let's see if we have any continuity. So, it's over here. And we want to go just to there. And this one. Okay, so we've got some continuity at least. Might put this back together. We have sound. And it looks like it's moving. Oops, I just turned it off. Turn it back on, sorry. Cut the sound. I mean, that looks like it's working now. All I need to do really is clean it up. So yeah, let's give it a good clean after we put it back together. Let's make sure I've not broken anything in the process. Yeah, this looks like it's still working. So I had no idea what was going to be wrong with this. It was just as simple as dirty contacts. So hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.